Well, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. Well, we've been looking at the goat, and now Batchoy. Batchoy's having a bath over there. Hey! Well, we've all got coughs, and we've all got colds and things. That's because of the Filipino way of sharing. Well, it's not just sharing of the good things, it's also sharing of the bad things. And one thing that you have to get used to here is the fact that there's been no education about how when you cough and you go you're spreading the bad news. So they all go around, and no matter where you are, if you're on a bus or you're on a tricycle, or if people have got a cough, they just cough out, and they have no idea, no education. And this is how it is in the Philippines. It's just one of those things that there's no education on that, about how disease spreads. And we are in a place where tuberculosis, TB, is still something that may well happen, and it's easily transmitted. And if you're in public places with people coughing, you do see people who are educated on this, and they wear masks, which is just wonderful. Sometimes I wonder if they're wearing a mask because they don't want other people to be coughing on them, or whether they don't want to cough on other people. We'll never know, will we? But anyway, that's something that you should be aware of when you come here. Yes, it's a fact of life that people behave in a different way, and they don't actually cover their mouths when they cough. It is a despair to me, because when you have a close family, we have 7 children here that are part of our family circle, and one kid gets a cough, and sure enough the next kid gets a cough, and then the next kid, and then you get one, or I get one, and Beth gets one, and we've all got this travelling around in a circle. Nana's been sick, I've been sick, Beth has been sick, Talik, Bibi, and now I heard Balalut, he's starting to cough as well. And the coughs are likely to stay around because everybody keeps sharing. Damn it, I'll have to start wearing a mask myself. So, here we are. That was the bad news. Here's the good news. Now I think that's the good news. And there's our little goat friend that we did another video on. How cute. Okay, well, thanks for looking in. This is a foreigner in the Philippines. Bye for now. Life on our little hill.